Lakshmipad Singhania Academy presents a film depicting big businesses flourishing in Kolkata.
PwC India Limited in Kolkata operates primarily through its Service Delivery Center, also known as India Acceleration Center. Located in Salt Lake, the SDC focuses on delivering value to clients globally by leveraging a skilled workforce and advanced digital technologies. The center emphasizes professional growth, diversity.
Since New Year and Christmas just passed by, how did you celebrate it with your colleagues and members?
Sure. As PwC is a very people-focused organization, so people comes first whenever we plan any event or any festival that comes up. As New Year and Christmas had come forward, we ensured that our employees and colleagues took time off. We asked them to, we also have given them a lot of annual gifts to spend some time with family and friends. Also share these gifts with them and celebrate the happiness that this new year brings to everyone's life.
The Calcutta Punjab Club, established in 1933, is a prestigious social club located in Kolkata, India. It offers various facilities for members, including dining and recreational options.
How does the club believe in emphasizing the idea of create an event?
See, our club is based in 1940, and that means our members which are here, we have members since 1946-47 also alive. So first of all, I'll come to you that the members here, if you are 65 and above, and it's more than 25 years of clubbing, we don't charge any subscription from them. Generally, it is around 800 rupees per month for a member. So from the senior members, we don't charge anything. So this is one thing that we want to give back to our members who've been with us since long. Secondly, the young generation. So what it is that we have 3 or 4 cultural events every month. Maybe it's Friday night, we have some ghazal night, or we have a pop night, and then every alternate Sunday we have Tambola. So like this, all the members who just can come along, we can meet them each other. And main thing is that our club is more basically like a homely club. So once you are here, you would like to go back and meet your friends. Okay, when I was small, when I was 10 years old, I used to come to the club. Now I'm 60 years old. So last 50 years, you've been coming to club, you've been clubbing. And there, those friends who were there are still with you, you've grown with them. So this is just how we get into it. Secondly, if we talk about the staff here is quite good, they are happy. Because we see to it that we are able to fulfill their needs to the utmost. If it is a permanent staff or a contractual staff, we don't bifurcate.
R.R. Agarwal Jewellers is a prominent jewelry store located in Kamak Street, Kolkata. Established in 1974, it offers a wide range of jewelry including gold, diamonds and antique pieces. The store is known for its craftsmanship and attention to detail, catering to both traditional and contemporary tastes.
The saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility. What do you think is your firm's responsibility towards the society?
See, the matter is that society has given us, जो भी हम लोग आज हैं, आज R.R. अग्रवाल ज्वेलर्स है, जो भी चीज़ है, हमको जो भी बनाया है, हमको सोसाइटी ने बनाया है, तो हमको सोसाइटी को पेबैक करना ही पड़ेगा. और सोसाइटी को पेबैक करने से क्या होगा कि जो आज रूरल एरियाज में लोग हैं या जो वांटेड लोग हैं या जिनको जरूरत है, उनको हम लोग को हेल्प पहुंचानी पड़ेगी, उनको लिटरेट करना पड़ेगा. सोसाइटी में मेडिकल चाहिए तो मेडिकल हेल्प करना पड़ेगा.
MJ Enterprises, established in 1978, deals in plywood offering 50 plus products. They supply in large scale to retailers and wholesalers in and nearby Kolkata. It is established in Kalighat.
आपके व्यवसाय में टीम वर्क का विचार कितना महत्वपूर्ण है?
कोई भी व्यवसाय हो उसमें विदा टीम वर्क के कोई सक्सेस नहीं हो सकता है. ये डिपेंड करता है, परचेज है, सेल है, कैसे बिजनेस को ऑर्गेनाइज करना है. टीम का रहना बहुत ही जरूरी है.